Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is going to grow into an uptrend. I think it's going to possibly go all the way up to the 61% Fibonacci extension around the 1.4952 area, probably eventually take out these highs and look something like that. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely a little bit of an odd pattern because it sets a higher high right here compared to the wave 1, which I think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Mostly based on the euro dollar and the dollar index analysis, I do believe this is an A, B, C, or B, and this push down is a C, and I think there's a pretty decent chance that this is already at the very, very early stages of a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 to complete that pattern that I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do think there's a possibility this is the end of an ABC correction. We have a Fibonacci retracement on here just in case we do get a big bounce and a break of structure at a fib level, something like this, then we definitely would want to look for shorts at that point. But I think there's more likely that this will maybe bounce off fib levels, but it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it's actually very clear that this is an ABC correction. I got my Fibonacci extension measuring this last push up, projecting out the bottom of the correction. I would definitely be watching these Fibonacci levels for areas of resistance, but for me, I am definitely looking for longs. With how strong this move up was, I bet there is going to be some pretty decent pullbacks, like a 50 or a 61% pullback before we end up continuing the uptrend again. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it does kind of resemble an ABC correction already. It actually could even end up being a 3, a 4, and then go up for a wave 5. But I honestly wouldn't be surprised, especially with how strong this move up was, if it actually turns into a much bigger correction and ends up being like an A, B, C correction, maybe like to a 50 or 61% of this move up before we get the big bounce and the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.